What's up, adventurers? It's Jason, and we are here in my living room. Bit of a different adventure, well, different video, but it's still an adventure. I have started thinking about possible merchandise or just possibly getting my YouTube channel out there a little bit more, physically out there. So I have pins right here. The CTRL-ALT adventure pin, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be selling those. The first idea that I had is that I will hand them out to anyone interested in my YouTube channel, or if so happens a subscriber bumps into me on an adventure, and I plan on keeping them on me while I'm out. I'll have a couple on me. If there is a demand to buy them, I could sell them. I have two types of pins right now. I have the back. This one's a magnet, so this one's a little bit more premium. And then I have this one with just the regular, like, bobby pin, regular bobby pin type pin. So if I were to sell them, I would probably sell the bobby pin one for maybe $5, and then the magnet one, which is a bit more premium, possibly for $7 or $8. You know, that way you're not poking holes in your clothes, not damaging anything. And you could probably even use it as like a refrigerator magnet or something. But yeah, I'm gonna be carrying these pins around. Maybe I'll do, you know, like a random comment draw or something like that. So if you leave a comment, maybe I'll, you know, pick you out and I'll figure out a way to get a pin to you or something. Haven't decided that yet. You may be wondering, where did you get these? How did you get them made? Well, I will show you. Where did I get them? Right here. I'm 3D printing my own badges, or my own pins. It just came to me and I tried it out with one. It looked great. It turned out great. The quality's really good. I don't know if you could see. I'll show you. I mean, is that gonna focus? There you go. It's trying to find my face, but there it is. So I'm actually printing these myself, paying for everything. Maybe I'll sell them, maybe I won't. It might just be hand them out to people, but just want to put it out there. If you think I should sell them, or you're interested in buying one, either leave a comment down below or leave a like on the video so I know you're interested. So if this video gets a bunch of likes, I will know that you want to buy these pins. It's hard to do one-handed. Oh, see how they turned out. There it is. Now, of course, with anything, nothing is perfect, and sometimes there's problems. So right here, we had a bit of a problem there. If you could see it, we had some white material end up there. So we've got some misprints. I don't know. Will that make things more rare? I don't know. Looks like we've got another one. We'll focus. There's a that brown right here. Right here, I don't think it's gonna focus, but had a little misprint. But you know, that's what I'm doing, is I'm taking them off and I'm checking the quality, and if it's good, I'll sell it or give it away. That's gonna do it for this adventure. If you enjoyed this video and you're interested in possibly buying these pins, leave a like on the video. And if you really want to support the channel, make sure you subscribe. It's free.